One of the weirdest skid steers on the market is the Ditch Witch SK3000. It's positioned as a walk behind. It's something you stand on the back of and operate, but it's the size of a full-size skid steer and it has a full-size skid steer quick attach. It also has three hydraulic flow systems in it, a low flow, a medium flow, and a high flow, with the high flow getting up close to 20 gallons per minute, which is the size of like a full-size skid steer. The interesting thing about it though is I'm not really sure why. Like I'm not sure what the use case is for because the benefit of a full-size skid steer is you get air conditioning, you have the cab which has rollover protection systems for the operator, you have the glass if you're doing destructive attachments for like mulching and stuff like that. Without the cab, I'm not really sure what the benefit of this is because normally mini skid steers are used because they can get into tight spaces. You can get into gates if you're doing things in people's yards and confined spaces with small ceilings, things like that. So it's very interesting that Ditch Witch built a full-size skid steer with the top sheared off, with all the power of a full-size skid steer and the attachment interface of a full-size skid steer, but operated as a walk behind.